Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you saw in the last video, we made this booty prototype. Today, we are going to make booty 2.0. We're gonna fix a little bit of shape in the back, definitely size her down in the underpants department. This time, I will be working with the Barnett blanket and the stamp, and the patch that I'm going to use. Started on one foot. There ain't nothing left but to do it. I'm excited. And now we can start to build. Hopefully not frog as much as last time. Never truly know. It is coming along nicely, I think. It's really hard to tell before we build up. I did give up last night. I don't know if you saw the mess that was that center pull, but it just got worse. It was just a tangled mess. I got mad and just like started packing it. But, get it? It's going well. Why is it shaped like that? See, now that I'm looking at it, is it going well? I feel like I might need to stuff it. That's supposed to be the front, but she's looking a little too cheeked up. What's going on? Honestly, stuffing is like the hardest part. Why is this so difficult? No, like what? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh no, am I really gonna start again? Am I really gonna start again? Why is it shaped like that? I'm starting again. I'm starting again. I'm gonna go all the way back down to before the booty. I also think I'm doing too much booty. But I said that this was booty 2.0, so there ain't no way that she gonna come out looking cracked. There's no way. This one has to look good, and this is not giving. I'm frogging the whole thing. We've gone with a slight different technique of starting with the booty in the back. I don't know. I really don't want to have to do this again, but we're just gonna hope for the best and keep on trying. We did some redesign, and look, the front is already shaped so much better. We did one less increase row, and the booty is looking so much more natural. Booty 2.0 is incoming. This yarn just takes a long time to build up. We're gonna do a lot more straight rows and then start increasing for the waist. I love her. She cheeked up. We just gotta keep going. I see the vision. I see the booty. I feel like that is a good height. Look at those cheeks. She got the fupa, we're going with it. The shape is so much better. So let's stuff her up. Look how much better that looks. Booty, poppin', proportionate, and the front. I'm literally obsessed. Compared to our prototype, it's just giving. Saggy booty, popped booty. And I also perfectly used up my stuffing that I had, so. I'm just going to close off the top. Oh my god, get out of there. And the main part will be done. We are back. The hair's pink. It's been some time, okay? This looks so much better than the first one. Can we just take a moment? Now she is ready to be dressed. I'm doing, hello. That's the patch we're gonna put on the booty. So I think we're gonna do white underwear. I don't know. We did it. She is officially done and she is perfect. Look at that. If you would like to make one of these of your own, I have a written and video tutorial that I will link down below, and I would love to see your juicy creations. So please tag me at Feral Fairy Studios on Instagram. Now that this is done, I think we need to make a giant one. What do we say? Until next time, peace.